Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Shruti Sajjan. Today's recipe is Doodh Peda or Milk Peda. Let's begin with the recipe. Take a non-stick or an heavy bottom pan and add a tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. Now to it I am adding 150 grams of sweetened condensed milk and mix it till the condensed milk starts melting. It takes about a minute. Now I am adding 1 cup of milk powder and give it a very good mix. Once everything is mixed nicely, I am adding saffron milk. I have soaked 5 strands of saffron in 2 tablespoons of warm milk and keep mixing it till the mixture starts leaving the pan. If you want your pedas to be little bit sweeter side, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar, and if you want less sweet, you can reduce the amount of condensed milk. Now you can see that the mixture has started leaving the pan. Now again I am adding a tablespoon of clarified butter and cardamom powder, and again keep mixing it for 2 more minutes. Now you can see that the whole mixture is coming together and it is forming like a dough. It is ready. Transfer it to a plate. And spread it little bit to cool it down quickly. Now when the mixture is slightly warm, grease the palms with some clarified butter. Take a small portion of the mixture and place it in between your palms and roll it to give it a nice round shape. And flatten it little bit. With the help of your finger, press it in the middle of the pedas and place any of your favorite nuts, and it is ready. And repeat the process with the remaining mixture. With these measurements, here I have prepared 10 to 12 pedas. Here I am using pistachios. You can use any of your favorite nuts like almonds or cashew nuts. To watch my other recipes, click the link displaying on the screen. And for the written recipes, visit my blog cookwithshrutisajjan.blogspot.com. And if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.